'cause I notice in the newer eyes a fear I lack today. And it occurred to me this summit is something everybody seeks. We're so aware of the precipice, or what we dream about the